Highway 2 is an Israeli highway located on the coastal plain of the Mediterranean Sea. It begins a major arterial road within Tel Aviv, becoming a freeway as it exits the city northward, continuing to Haifa. North of Tel Aviv, the highway is also called the Coastal Highway or the New Haifa-Tel Aviv Highway. Highway 2 is one of the busiest highways in the country, and drivers experience frequent traffic congestion between Hadera and Tel Aviv during rush hours. The northern sections are also congested at times, especially during weekends and holidays, when many Israelis travel north for vacation. History. The first section of the highway between Tel Aviv and Netanya was built in the early 1950s as a two-lane road with at-grade intersections. The next section was built later that decade, extending the highway north to Olga Junction in Hadera. This section was also built as a two-lane road. In 1965 the highway was widened to 4 lanes between Tel Aviv and Hadera, however grade separations were not built at this point. The last section of the highway, between Olga Junction and Haifa, opened in 1969. When this section opened, it was the first freeway in Israel. Deteriorating road conditions caused by years of neglect led to this section being downgraded from its original freeway status. Road signs on this section are still blue. However, there are a few signs indicating an entrance or exit from a freeway, and the maximum speed limit is 90 to 110 km per hour, which makes it an Israeli freeway. The junctions on the older sections of the highway were gradually grade separated. Netanya Interchange was built in 1974, Polg Interchange in 1975, Havazalet Interchange in 1989, Yanai Interchange in 1990, Olga Interchange in 1993, Hof HaSharon Interchange in 1994, and Rabin Interchange and Hassarar Interchange in 1995. Today the highway is grade separated along its entire route between the Haifa South and West Glilat interchanges. The Tel Aviv-Netanya section was widened to 6 lanes in the 1990s. The West Glilat interchange opened on February 28, 2007, providing a direct connection to eastbound Highway 5 and the Ayalon Highway Coastal Roadway Corridor. The Carmel tunnels form a northern extension of Highway 2 which connects directly to Highway 22 in the Krayot area north of Haifa. This northern extension, along with the Ayalon Highway and parts of Highway 4, make up a series of controlled access highways that together form an intercity highway corridor stretching along most of Israel's Mediterranean coast, from Acre in the north to Ashdod in the south. In the future, a parallel, but more inland-controlled access corridor will also be provided by Highway 6 when it is fully built. Plans. There are plans to continue the 6-lane section north to the Zakron Yaakov interchange. These plans also include upgrading the remaining section between Zakron Yaakov and Haifa back to freeway standards. Interchanges.